back to my channel, and today we are sorting out loads and loads of pins. So how has everyone been doing? It's been a very long week for me. I'm actually well excited for this video because for like my calendar, my boyfriend was very kind and he got me he made me like a pin calendar, so every day I opened up like a different pin, as you see here. So I collect pins and actually have this bag here of all my pins. There's some like real favourites on here, like I love the Switch one with the Animal Crossing on it, and yeah, there's a Spirit one down here, and just loads and loads of different ones which I love so much. So I'll be sorting out all of the pins that I got over Christmas and Christmas Day and all that sort of stuff, and then I'll sort them out into piles, and then at the end of the video I'll show you them all in my bag. So let's get started. So starting off with two, which will be it's either been in the previous video or the next video, but I'll be putting these two pins on my bag. They are ones I got Christmas Day. There is a Funko Hello Kitty, and there's a pin here of Tom Nook from Animal Crossing, which is like one of my favourite games. So I'm going to put all the pins in the middle. I'm going to put pins over there which I'm not going to put on my bag, and pins over there which I will put in my bag. So this one it's a very cute cat in a pumpkin. So I love Halloween, like I literally would celebrate it all year round. I just find it fun and enjoyable, and the colours are actually amazing. Another one that I will be putting on my bag is this Coraline doll. Coraline is actually one of my favourite movies, so I definitely will be putting it on my bag. This one I won't be. It's a pushing, like eating noodles, I guess. This looks like a really cheap sort of pushing, so I won't be putting it on, especially the one that I do have on my bag at the moment. It's just not something I would put on there. Next I will keep him. My boyfriend actually had this and I loved it, so he actually gave it to me for the last day of the calendar. His name has actually escaped me right now, so I can't actually remember his name, but he definitely is a really cool character from Cartoon Network. So I don't know about this one. I don't think I will be putting this on my bag, but it says it's too peoply outside. I like it, and it's quite a funny concept, but I don't think I will be putting that on. Some that I personally bought myself I will be putting on my bag, which is Rover, and I think, yeah, that is Isabelle on the town tree. Well, I would say it's a town tree, but it's got like fruit on it, and I don't think the town tree has fruit. Next one I will be putting on my bag is a hamster with a peach, and I think that is just adorable and really cute. Another one, I will not be putting this on my bag. It's just very random. Like, I do like pictures and cameras and stuff, but it just seems very plain and boring for my bag. I also won't be putting this on. I think most of the pushings that I do have from this I won't be putting on because they look really cheap, so I won't be putting that on. I will be putting this other Coraline one on. I love that. I just love Coraline so much. I love the concept of it and how like creepy it is. I mean, it scared me as a kid, so it's kind of embedded on my mind forever now. I won't be putting this on my bag, but it's a very cute one. You know, I would say it's cute. It's got like horns on the skull. Another one I will be putting on my bag is this little cat with a little skull. It looks really evil and it's great. I won't be putting this on my bag. It's like some jewels. It's very pretty though, so if I have room I might actually put it on. I will be putting the banana cats on my bag as well. They're really cute. Another two I will be putting on is Patrick the meme and SpongeBob meme. They They are so funny. I just can't wait to put them on. There, I will put this one on, which is the Instagram love heart. Saying that, it just broke. That heart's meant to be in there and it came off. Okay, that won't be going on then. There's a slightly bitter lemon pin, but I won't be putting that on though, because I don't really like that pin that much. Another pushing one that I'm not putting on. Again, it's cute though, but I just feel like they don't look like pushing. I don't know, it's weird. There's this tiny little bottle which says poison on it. I will be putting it on because it's so little and it'd be nice to go in like one of the those spaces in between. Here's another one. I won't be keeping it because it's creepy. And it says Bad Witch. I won't be putting this on my bag, but it is a Bulbasaur with more noodles. There is a few more I'm just going to put together. There's a little badge that says lit, and I will be keeping that. And there's another camera one for some reason, and I've got the Stranger Things one. I will be putting the Stranger Things one on my bag. There's another two I'll be putting on my bag, which is the conch shell from SpongeBob, and this really cute little hamster. It's really cute to look at. It's got like a little ghost and just all the things around it as well, which I find really fascinating. Just Peachy, that will be going on my bag. It's so cute. Another camera, like, Mark, why do you get so many cameras? And then this one, I won't be putting on. So I have bought some pins myself too, but they're just not coming. It's just, I get loads of them from AliExpress and Wish, and just, they never come on time, but yeah, so these are all the pins I won't be putting on my bag, but I will be trying to put the Instagram one on. I just don't know why that's broke, but I really liked it. And then I won't be picking them all up, but I'll just show you the fair few. So there's some that I will be putting on my bag. So I'm gonna be busy for the next like 10 minutes, and I will show you my bag like after I put on all the new pins. So this is the completed bag after I put all the pins on. It actually looks amazing. There's so much going on in this. I'm just going to give you a close-up of some of it. It actually looks amazing. I filled in some gaps and I've moved some pins down too, and it's just, oh, it's amazing. I put my favourites in the middle, so you can see here there's a pushing one there, the Switch Animal Crossing one, some Ghost, Kyle, which is my favourite character of Animal Crossing, the Bells one, the Hello Kitty, and then I just have the ones I don't like too much, kind of like down there, but it's still great and I love it so much. So yeah, that's my bag, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. I don't do many videos like this, but I do loads of unboxings and makeup related videos. So yeah, so please like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. So